Hey guys, today I'm going to be trying something really exciting news. I wanted to show you what I just got done shopping here at Walmart. I got CinnaFuego Toast Crunch. That is a really crazy. They made the first spicy cereal with a cinnamon heat. That is expecting to see. So here's a good art. I'm going to show you. It's resealable. Alright. It's naturally flavored sweetened cereal. Alright. It gives you with a cinnamon toast crunch cereal of spicy cake with an arrival of new CinnaFuego Toast Crunch. You can only get this only available at Walmart for the limited time only. I haven't tried this yet, but I'm still gonna do it. But it's really exciting to try this new spicy cereal. I had never heard of this spicy cereal before. I think it's the first time I never tried it in my life. So, anyway, I'm going to give you a crack it open and see what it looks like. Stand by. Okay, I'm going to give you a smell first. Does smell like a red hot candy. Yeah, it definitely smells strong like a red hot candies to me. So I'm going to give you a little close up of this image. There you go. You can see right here. There we go. See it? You can see it's a little red stuff in there. So I'm just gonna grab it a little bit. So anyway, all right. I'm gonna say this, but I'm gonna try it anyway. So here's to the CinnaFuego Toast Crunch, everybody. Hold that fuck. Try something real crazy. Ooh. Okay. I can feel my tongue's on a little bit fiery. You can feel, and when the aftertaste, it can feel tingling down your throat. It's still burning. Yep, it is. It is burning down my throat and my tongue a bit. Wow. But I love it. I love this CinnaFuego Toast Crunch. This is the first time I ever tried the spicy cereal before. So there you have it. The CinnaFuego Toast Crunch. Now remember, it's only available at Walmart for the limited time only. So, folks, try the CinnaFuego Toast Crunch, everybody. Well, tell me how you like this video. Just comment me a like button and hope to see you again real soon, everybody. See you soon.